Ocean View Aquariums Kenya says that we'll bring nature's lost paradise back home. This is exactly what we made.
Initially, my husband and I purchased a medium-sized aquarium, but thought it wise to change to a much bigger one because the bigger one has more room for the fish and enables them to move around freely.
So far they wanted the same aquarium, I mean the same design, but it had to be unique, but it had to be a TV stand, a big one, because the first one that we made, I mean the fish, the pets, they had grown quite big. I mean they are outgrowing the aquarium really, because he has koi's, and as you know, koi's tend to grow if they are fed quite well. So we sat down and we came up with an idea, a concept. I mean, they also have some trophies that they wanted to be displayed in the aquarium. So we had to come up exactly with something out of this world. And so far, we did it.
The supplier offers cleaning services at a reasonable fee. He is honest, reliable, and committed to his work. And hence, the more reason we purchased the second aquarium from him. Here is our new aquarium.
Take care of it.